Hey guys, JP from JP's Build Plate here. Today I'm going to show you a project I've been working on for the last 2 or 3 months. The thing is, I've not been working on it like daily for that time period, but I printed the parts 2 or 3 months ago, and they've been lying idle on my desk since then. So today I found out I wanted to assemble them, and I want to show you the assembly process today. Unfortunately, I don't have any time lapses of the printing, so that won't be included in this video, but in the future videos I will try to include the time lapses. So this is the part I'm going to assemble. Here we go.
So this part is actually 7 parts in total. As you see here on the table, we have the top. That's the red one. All the parts have been painted by my wife. And this is the bottom one. It's been painted white, as you see, but we didn't go for the usual smooth surface. We wanted some texture, and as you see on the red one here as well, we have a bit of texture on the top. This is the top part of the middle ring, and this is the bottom. Sorry for the focus problems, but yeah, this is the 2 parts that actually makes the button. And then you have a spring. The spring is taken from just a regular pen, and I've cut it in half just so it shouldn't be too big. So the first thing we need to do is to assemble the button, and actually place it in the slot in the bottom ring. And this is a tricky part. The spring is not that easy to actually get into the slot where it should be. It tends to jump out, so you need to do it carefully and precise. There we go. So now we need to super glue these 2 rings together, and I'm using a glue bought at a local hardware store. But you can use any type of super glue or something that actually glues plastic together. So this part is actually printed in regular PLA, and the printer I'm using is a 1/2 duplicator i3. So just make sure that the part is pressed hard together so the glue can stick and they don't come loose. And since it's super glue, it's super fast to, the adhesive will stick. And I'm just using a wet towel or a cloth just to take away the excess glue, so you don't have anything sticking out and maybe gluing anything else together with this part that shouldn't be glued together. So now we need to glue this part together with the bottom, and the model itself has some knobs on the ring, and it has some holes in the bottom part, so they're actually connecting really nice and easy. So So you actually just need to put some glue on the part and just stick them together, because you won't miss where it should be. The alignment will always be correct because of the knobs and the holes. So, and then again, you just press hard to make sure it sticks, and we're also using the wet cloth here to wipe away the excess glue. One thing that can happen when you do this is the glue tends to whiten on black parts, so yeah, make sure that you get everything off. So we're done with the glue, even though the top part hasn't been assembled yet, but we actually don't need any glue for that. So the funny thing about this model is that they've actually the connection between the top and the ring, they made it so you can use some filament for the hinges, and that's actually really smart, because everyone that has a 3D printer, they also have filament. So if you are just using a small strand of filament to connect this one, like I'm doing here, I'm just threading it all the way through here. There we go. And then I have some small pliers, which you will see in a second here. These are very useful for 3D printing parts. I'm just snipping them off, and then we have a working hinge on the top part. So to start with, the top part is kind of hard to open, so yeah, but you will get the hang of it. And then also, since this is a Pokeball, it's round, so we printed a stand for it, so we have something to put it on. Yeah, this is me trying to do a thumbs up. So we need to have a Pokemon in our Pokeball. So we also printed a Pikachu, and this is also painted by my wife. So check out lillespurv.no. That's her blog. So she will also put out some tips and tricks on how to paint 3D printed parts. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.